So Building H in Kansas City, it's the largest facility expansion at Custom Truck. Took us a couple years to put it in place and get it all developed. The team did a great job just changing the layouts and adapting it as kind of the vision came together.
When I first started working here a year and a half ago, the building was just getting started. There was no floor, no walls, no power. And now it's very exciting to walk people through and show off what we've done.
Building H is around 220,000 square feet of manufacturing, fabrication, paint, assembly, warehousing, and PT&A, which is our parts, tools, and accessories, shipping and receiving and storage.
Prior to Building H, we were in Building A, B, E, and G. So we had 4 buildings. Essentially, we've taken 4 locations of work activity. Now they're all in Building H. So it makes everything just much more efficient.
Alleviating some of that space in the other smaller buildings in growing H and moving, it's given everybody the ability to expand. So I think that's a benefit all the way around. We can all work a little bit more comfortably.
This building improved our paint operation significantly. We can easily fit 4 roll-offs in this paint booth, and we have done 6 compared to our old shop where we can only do 1 roll-off.
Being next to the people that are assembling the machines has really increased the collaboration between the engineering department and the folks that are actually building it. Having Marcus and his team available on the fabrication line is really helpful to us because it helps us to develop the product more quickly.
So having the fabrication department definitely gives us the advantage, and it gives sourcing leverage for us to be more competitive in the marketplace. It also allows us to increase our throughput and allow us to produce products faster because we're not waiting on suppliers or we're not held down by the supply base, and we're able to produce things and get things faster on a more cost-effective manner.
Before we were in Building H, it wasn't uncommon for me to make 5 trips a day in my truck to different places around the campus, looking for different parts to measure something to make sure it was all going to come together. And now it's all here.
What we have in the paint shop in Building H, we have a very large paint booth. We have a reclaiming blast booth. We have powder coat capabilities now, which has 3 ovens, 2 booths, and a wash bay. We're adding wash bay in detail to that.
Having a fab shop next to us is a great asset. So they can make a product, push it out real quick, get it to us so we can paint it and get back on the truck.
Being all in this one building has allowed all of us to streamline our operations, which has led to increased efficiencies and substantial cost savings for the company. Prior to this, we were kind of spread out all over campus, trying to get all the materials delivered on time, presented a significant amount of challenges and obstacles.
The move to Building H was great for us. We expanded our area, less travel from one building to the other. Materials is close by, about 500 feet away. So we just feel happy to be in Building H.
Within the warehouse, there's Load King, there's PTA, and there's aftermarket. You can never tell the difference between the 3 different divisions. They work together so smoothly.
I think we feel amazing, honestly. I feel like it's giving everybody else like an extra boost. We doesn't have to run around, delivering parts here and there. Our communication got a lot stronger. It's a lot easier to keep things flowing.
We build the Load King cranes for Custom Truck. Being in Building H has helped us a great deal. Before we moved over, the product line was spread out to about 3 different buildings.
This building allows Custom Truck and Load King to take control of their own destiny. It's nothing smaller than that.
It's an investment in every production center and every sales and rental center that we have across the country. That's what excites me the most is it's not just an investment in Building H. It didn't just help the crane group in Kansas City. It helped PTA. It helped our used truck division. It helped our rental division. It's helped every facet of our business.